All right, we got a little Bieber. Title of his album is Swag, so I'm gonna need to see all of yours. Let's go. All right, we're gonna start with an elbow pull right here. Hup.
Don't wanna give a fuck.
Turn it out, same thing, left side.
Don't wanna mess this up.
Ball change, turn, now watch, you're gonna go right here. Show him why he doesn't want you to leave. To the center. Let's go. Lean and swag, hands on those hips. Pop the toe, do it again. We're gonna do a sausage slide to the right. Body roll forward. Work it, hips. Touch your body. Again. Yeah. Boom. Hips. Listen. From the top. Sexy time, let's go. To the center. Now, just feel yourself. Touch your body. Let's go.
I see you holding on to things you said that you let go.
Let go of them, baby. Let's go. What doesn't fit you? Let it go. Throw it away right here. Sausage slide.
I know you wanna wake up. I know you wanna make me proud. I know you wanna say so.
Roll it.
I know we gonna make it out. I know you wanna get some.
I know you wanna get
So
some.
tell me where you came from.
Let's go.
I'm running out of patience. I know we gonna make
From the
it
top.
out. I don't wanna give a fuck. I know what it should be. I don't wanna mess this up. I don't want you to leave. I don't want you to leave. I don't want you to leave. I don't want you to leave.
We're gonna go back to the top. Right here. Hey.
I don't wanna give a fuck. I know what it should be. I don't wanna mess this up. I don't want you to leave. 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 I know what it should be. I don't want you to leave.
Yeah. Nice work.